If you clicked on this video and you're gonna listen to the end, it means that love is your vibration, and you are one of those special people that care not only about yourself and your immediate family, but you care on a broader scale about the world. This video is a call to action to raise your love vibration. The world, our planet, our earth needs love now. Yes, there's love in the world, but obviously it's not enough. Take a look around. Look at all the devastation, all the wars, all the killings, all the shootings. People, our people, we are losing our mind. We are missing essential things to function well as human, to live a balanced life. And one of the things that you can do, that I can do, is to increase the love frequency, starting with ourselves. Now, I've created a challenge. It's a 30-day challenge. Now, you can do it for longer. You could do it for however long you feel that you've done enough to bring the vibration of love into the world. 30 days, whenever you come across this video, you can start your day one whenever you want. If you're a content creator, create content to vibrate love and increase love in however which way you see fit that's creative to you. If you're not a content creator and you come across this video, just do what you can to give love. Give love to yourself. Give love to those around you. Give love to every creature, every being. Understand that we are all one. Understand that we are one. We need to lift, to raise the frequency of love now, to make a better world for all of us and for the children and for their children and so forth. If we want to create a better world, it starts with us, from within us. And I don't care what your position is, what your social economic status or whatever it might be is, you have the power in you to create change. Recognize and own your power. Use the power of love to uplift and to create the change that we need now. So for the challenge, you're going to use hashtag #CHLoveVibration. However which way you want to present love vibration is totally up to you. For me personally, I'm going to focus on self-love, then I'm going to focus on loving others, then I'm going to focus on loving all creation, and then I'm going to focus on always sharing and giving love, and I'm going to break down the different elements of love. Thank you for your time, and thank you for caring enough to listen to this video and to taking up your role as a planetarian to make a mighty difference. Be always blessed. May love guide us home. May love guide us to peace and unity.